Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel today. We're diving deep into one of the most important speeches in American history, one that wasn't even spoken out loud, but published for everyone to read. I am talking about George Washington's farewell address from 1796. You might think it's just an old document, but trust me, the advice he gave is incredibly relevant, maybe even more so today than it was back then. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's unpack the wisdom of the first U.S. president. Washington was stepping down after 2 terms, setting a precedent that would last for over a century. He could have been president for life, but he believed in the power of peaceful transition. His address wasn't just a simple goodbye, it was a heartfelt letter to his fellow citizens, a guide for the future of the nation he helped build. He poured his hopes and fears for America into this document, offering timeless warnings that echo through the halls of history. So, what was his biggest concern? Believe it or not, it was division. Washington warned passionately against the dangers of political parties, or factions as he called them. He predicted that loyalty to a party would eventually become more important than loyalty to the nation itself. He saw these factions leading to the most horrid enormities, creating a spirit of revenge where one group would dominate another, leading to chaos and eventually the rise of a powerful individual who would destroy public liberty. Sound familiar? He saw how easily people could be tricked into trading their freedom for the illusion of security offered by a single, powerful leader. His next major warning was about getting entangled in foreign conflicts. Washington advised the young nation to maintain good faith and justice towards all nations, but to steer clear of permanent alliances with any particular country. He wasn't advocating for total isolation. He understood the need for trade and commercial relationships, but he believed that getting emotionally or politically tied to the fortunes and quarrels of other nations would only drag America into wars that weren't its own. He urged a focus on national interests and developing a strong, independent identity on the world stage. It's a debate that continues to this day. Where is the line between being a responsible global partner and getting tangled in foreign disputes? Finally, Washington emphasized the importance of morality, religion, and education. He called these the great pillars of human happiness and the firmest props of the duties of men and citizens. For him, a republic couldn't survive without a virtuous population. He believed that a shared moral compass was essential for people to trust each other and for the government to function properly. And he knew that an educated public was the best defense against tyranny and manipulation. An informed citizenry, he argued, would be capable of making wise decisions for the good of the entire country. Reading Washington's farewell address today is a powerful experience. It's like getting advice directly from a founding father who is looking at our current world and saying, "I told you so." His warnings about political division, foreign entanglements, and the erosion of civic virtue are more potent than ever. It serves as a crucial reminder that the American experiment is fragile and requires constant vigilance, unity, and a commitment to the greater good. It's a timeless call to put country before party and principle before passion. What do you think? Is Washington's advice still practical for the 21st century? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this interesting, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into history. We'll see you in the next one.